up? It's your girl Anna Lee. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. It's going to be about the makeup products I can't live without and things that I can't live without, I guess. And also a Q&A through my Instagram. So let's jump right in. So this is one of my favorite foundations. This is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I love this. It's perfect for every skin. It's actually not heavy in the skin, doesn't feel like cakey on the skin, and it's a long wear. So yeah, I like this foundation because it's long wear and you can build it up if you want like more like a full coverage. To me, it's not full coverage, but it to me gives me a medium coverage, and it works perfect with all my clients that I have. I use the Nars. So yeah, this is a must-have in your makeup bag. Yes. All right, so the next thing that I'm going for, I have two of them, but the main one I've been using is this foundation brush, which is from Real Techniques. It's actually called the Expert Face Brush. If you see that, it's just, you know, I've been using it, but it looks just like this. And this is just perfect all around your face, like underneath your eye. I love this. So this is like my must-have, you know, in my kit, or when I go, you know, if I travel, I have to use this. Or if I don't have this one, I use my other favorite, which is the Morphe M439. I love this. This is the ones that I use on my clients, and it's a little bigger than the other one. But oh my God, it's amazing. Like, you're gonna love this. I have about 8 of them, no lie. I use this on my clients and just leave the skin so flawless. So I recommend this one and this. So yeah, this is my must-have favorite item right now. The next item I'm about to show you, it's crazy because I just started using it, which I don't know why I just started using it, but I love it. It's honestly like bomb. So you must get this item, and it's super affordable, super cheap, and it's the Micro Brow Pencil by Morphe. And this is how it looks. It comes, well, the pencil on one side, and then on the other side you have your spoolie. That's the word, I can't think of it. The little brush thing. So yeah, it's, I think this is like $5, and honestly this is like amazing. A little bit goes a long way. You have to be very gentle because it starts to show so quick. Like some pencils I have to like go hard. This one you don't have to at all. It's like bomb. Trust me, you have to get one. And the one that I'm using now, it's the Chocolate Mousse. Yeah. So I'm using the Chocolate Mousse. You have to get this. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So yeah. So I just bought like 3 of them to add to my makeup kit. So yeah, trust me. And if you get it, like, let me know in the comments below, or if you like follow me on Instagram, let me know about it because you're gonna love it. All right, moving on. So another thing with eyebrows will be my brow gel. This is how you know that I'm not kidding. Like, I use this thing. You can even tell who's it from. Like, it's all gone, like the words, except at the bottom. So this one is the Clear Brow Gel, and it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's clear, and I love it. I love this thing. Like, I have to have this, or not I feel like my eyebrows are just about to look a hot mess. But yeah, I have to have this. I do my eyebrows and then I go over with that so they can stay in place. This is a must-have. Yeah, this is bomb. Alrighty, moving on. You must have your kinky vodka. Oops, how did that get in there? Sorry about that. Next one would be my favorite concealer, and I honestly have 2. but this is my number one. So I'm gonna show you my number one. And this is not my shade. I actually mixed this one with another one. And it's the Tarte Shape Tape. And this is how it looks. This is a tan sand, but I actually mixed this, if you can tell, like, let me show you how much I've been using this thing. Do you see that? Hold on. I am currently out. So the one I use is, I was using this together. I used the light medium and then the medium together. But since I'm out, I started using the tan sand and I mix it with another one. Oh, I've been mixing it with the Color Pop. I've been mixing it with the Color Pop, and that's because I haven't gone to the store, which so far is working for today. But I need to go and, you know, buy some more because I need my medium. So yeah, Shape Tape concealer must have in your makeup kit or your makeup bag or your makeup travel bag, whatever. This is a must have. Next is, I cannot live without this item. It's my beauty blender. I have to have this. This one is amazing. I like the black one, but this is a must. I use this. So let me give an example of how I use this. So first I go with the foundation brush and tap all around, you know. Once I'm done, I go with my sponge and I just make sure that everything is even out and not patchy, you know. So this is what I use this for, and I use it for my concealer too. But honestly, I use the mini one for underneath my eyes. So yeah, this is a must have. I love this. I love it. Okay, another thing that I must have is highlight. I must have highlight on. Oh, if not, baby girl, you're not gonna be glowing. And if I'm not glowing, we got a problem. So I love the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy, I don't know her name. I don't know. But this is how it looks. And this is how it looks. So I love this because it's a really good formula and it actually leaves me glowing, or you know, my highlight popping for like the whole day. So this is a must-have highlighter. Now I don't know if they still sell it. I'm sure they do, but yeah, I like it. Okay, moving on. No. So I'm gonna show you, I can't live without also is lip liners. I love lip liners. A lot of people don't use lip liners, but I do. I have a whole collection. So yeah, if you don't believe me, yeah, I'll show you. And I've had this little cute little case from Melt Cosmetic. Oh my gosh. If you're a makeup artist, you need to add this on your makeup kit because this thing is bomb. So, as you can see, I have all my pencils here and more, well not that side, and more over here. So as you can see, I have a lot of lip liners, but my favorite one is the Morphe Makeup Talk, and it looks just like this. Well, you should know how a lip pencil looks, but this is the shade, and I feel like it goes with everything. I'm actually wearing it right now, and I just like it. I feel like it goes with everything, and you can put this with lip gloss or, you know, a lipstick, but I use this and lip gloss. And the lip gloss that I like to use, which I have two favorites. Two favorite lip gloss that I have to have in my purse and I have to carry all the time. It's also the Morphe one. And these are Frose and Freestyle. Frose goes with everything and it has a pop of glitter in there. If you can see, let's see. You see that glitter? Which I like Okay, so I don't really like glitter, especially if I can feel it in my lips. I don't like it. And there's one that actually you can, I'm not even gonna tell you which one it is, but I have a lip gloss that you can feel the glitter, and I don't like that. Like, I don't want to feel the little sprinkles or glitter in my lip. Like, I don't. And this one, you don't feel it. The only thing I would say, because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have to reapply this a lot. Okay, a lot. So yeah, I have to reapply this a few times, but it's definitely worth it. Like, I love this. And in the Freestyle, it's more like no glitter, but it's definitely like a cute little soft color to it. So moving on, another thing that I have to have and you have to have, trust me, all these things are like you must have. You must have. Another item is setting powder. You have to have setting powder, okay? There's times that I've seen people, some girls, out and about, and they go hug people and they have foundation all on their clothes because they're not setting their face. Like, if you put foundation, you have to set. You have to set so your foundation can stay, or else you're gonna be looking a mess. So I love the little Mercier one, setting powder, translucent. Love, love, love. You have to have this. If you don't know how to use it, you just use it. I use this underneath my eyes, my forehead, especially on my neck, because if I see people and I hug them, I don't want any makeup on them. Like, you have to have this. Okay, you have to have this. Okay, so my next item, which is the MAC Pro Longwear. I'm using medium. I carry this wherever I go, especially if I'm wearing makeup, especially if I'm going out at night, because especially when you're out, if you live in Houston, this weather is, you know, this weather is something else. So you have to have something like this. And I use it because sometimes I can get really oily or a little sweaty. And honestly, I just grab my brush and like, I just tap and I feel like my makeup goes back in place. So I need this, or else I will feel like lost without it. So this is how it looks. The next thing I cannot live without, and I know some of y'all can't either, I have to have setting spray to set my makeup. And as you can see, I'm almost out. So yeah, this thing is everything. I spray myself after I, done with my makeup to set my makeup. Sometimes I do carry with me when I go out, especially when it's so hot. Honestly, when you're like hot and sweaty, if you spray this also, it'll feel like your makeup just goes back to itself and not melt away. So this is a must-have. And so last but not least, I have to have, and honestly, this is an oldie, but a good one. What I must have is my makeup palette for my eyes, of course. And as you can see, this one is dirty. And this is the Morphe one, the Jaclyn one. And this is like her first one, which is, I believe it's her first one. Which this is actually how it looks. As you can see, all the shades. I really like it. I take it with me when I travel. So yeah, this is a good one to travel with. You have your colorful ones and then your warm colors, which you can always like switch it up if you want to do like a day look and a night look. I honestly think this is the perfect one to travel with and to have with you at all times. I just feel like it's a must. So this is one of my favorite palettes that I have that I use a lot. So, which I'm actually using some of this right now on my eyes, but I did mix it with another palette. So I won't say that this color is all here because it's not. So yeah, those are my favorite products. All right, so now jumping into my Q&A. I had people ask me questions on my Instagram and I'm going to answer it on my YouTube channel. So here we go. All right. this one is like one of my favorite ones that someone asked me. And it's, have you ever considered interior decorating? Interior decorating. Yes, I love it. I've always had a passion for it since I was a little girl. I remember just like telling my sister, oh, when I get my own house, I'm gonna have a leopard print. And I remember her telling me that she was gonna have angels. I don't even know if she remembers this. But yeah, so the answer is yes. I always wanted to help someone's home in like decorating or adding more items to their house, you know, to give a pop of color in their home. But I had a few people ask me that, and whenever I give them a small fee for my work, I'm not a professional. I did not go to school for this, so I'm not gonna charge you like $500 to do it, you know. I ask a small fee because, you know, that's my time. Like, I'm taking my time out of the day to help you out and, you know, get things together, and I'm pretty much working, you know. So when I gave people a little fee, they were like, yeah, and then next thing you know, you never hear from them. I realized that a lot of people want things done for free, and that's not gonna happen. So yes, I always wanted to do it. The thing is, people don't want to pay for it. So yeah, that's about it. But if you want me to help you out, I am always down. Let me know. You know, you can go shop around. Even if, you know, you just want help, like to look for items, you know, I'm down. Like, as you know, just that. But yeah. So yes, yes. The answer is yes. I always considered it, and to this day, I love doing it. I always get asked that. People tell me I should, and don't do it for free, like, you know, because at one point I was thinking about doing it for free, but people were like, one of my friends was like, girl, no, that's your time. You don't do it for free. Nothing here for free, you know? So yeah, all right. Next question. What is your favorite perfume? And right now, I'm more into like cleaning, what the hell? I'm more into the clean, fresh smells. So is the Giorgio Armani Aqua my fave. I'm running out, so if you want to get me one, you sure can, boo. Okay, next question. What do you like better, Adidas or Nike? Whew, that's a good one. So, because I use both. I honestly, for one moment, I was buying everything Adidas, like Adidas shirts, Adidas pants, Adidas shoes, and then now I'm using more Nike. So if I had to pick one, oh my god, I like both of them. I like both, but I do like Nike shoes. Yeah, I like Adidas clothes, but I like Nike shoes. Is that a good way to answer that? Hopefully. Okay, next one. How much do you charge for makeup with and without lashes? Makeup with lashes, I charge $65, and without lashes, I charge $60. Next question. My favorite food. I love tacos, authentic tacos, okay? Not that Tex-Mex shit. I like original tacos with cilantro and cebolla. Alright, next one. Favorite alcohol. Some of y'all know my favorite alcohol, and that is ground apple. Ground apple with a splash of Sprite. You should try it. But you gotta be 21 and up. But yes, bomb. Don't try it with Coke. Try it with Sprite. There's one that I'm not gonna answer. You know who you are. I am not going to answer that question. Alright, so that is all. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my favorite makeup products, and hopefully I answered all your questions. So yeah, again, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Love you guys.